कैरियर ऑफ एजुकेशन इस तरह शुरू हुआ कि माई मदर नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल, सो शी ऑलवेज अपोज्ड, वी वर 5 सिस्टर्स, तो वो कहती थी स्कूल नहीं भेजो, तो इनके जहेज़ बनाओ। माई फादर वॉज ए लॉयर, तो वो कहते थे कि नहीं, मैंने जहेज़ नहीं बनाने, मैंने इनके पेट के अंदर मखमल डालनी। सो ही वॉज द मेन सपोर्टर, वी वर वेरी लकी। तो उस तरह सफ़र शुरू हुआ। ऑल द सिस्टर्स वर एजुकेटेड, आई वॉज द यंगेस्ट वन, तो फिर मैं भी उनसे इंस्पायर होके, एक डॉक्टर है, 2 प्रिंसिपल स्कूल्स की रिटायर हुई, एक वन डाइड अर्ली, और इस तरह सफ़र चला। उसके बाद आई वॉज वेरी लकी कि माई हस्बैंड रियली सपोर्टेड मी फॉर माई एजुकेशन। When I got a scholarship for my PhD, the whole world was saying, don't go, you have 3 children, you might not be able to do it, it will be very tough. But my husband said, you should do it, you should do it. He took a 4 years ex-Pakistan leave and came with me. And my mother-in-law was too supportive. She said, if you can't manage the children there, I'll keep the children here, but you should go. She had also never been to school. So 2 ladies, my mother, my mother-in-law, then my husband and father, ये इनका बहुत contribution है। और इस तरह ये सफ़र शुरू हुआ। and then my first masters were in administrative sciences from Punjab University. उसके बाद मैंने एजुकेशन में जॉब शुरू की इन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन, और उसी के बाद मैं वहाँ एकेडमी ऑफ एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट में आई, तो वहाँ से स्कॉलरशिप मिला। एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस जॉब आफ्टर माय पीएचडी, NUST advertised the position of Dean of Management Sciences. So I applied and I was selected through a very high competent board, and ministry gave me 3 years leave, and I established business school. Now it's business school, then it was Institute of Management. And then ministry called me back after 2 years and appointed me as JA of curriculum as well as planning. And then after I retired, then I worked with Aga Khan Foundation. I was country in charge of their education section, and coordinated the donor assisted projects and programs. That was a very good experience. And for the last 11 years I am teaching in Quaid-e-Azam University as a visiting faculty. So every semester I teach either 1 or 2 courses. And while I was dean of NIMS, NUST Business School, I also taught throughout. And teaching is a lot of fun for me. After having hi-fi jobs, I still really enjoy teaching at Quaid-e-Azam University. And to tell you the honest truth, I am not very happy with the present state of affairs of education. And if you trust my words, every year the students we have at Quaid-e-Azam University are worse than the year before. So standard of education and quality of education is really on the downslide, which really bothers me. And another problem with our education system is that it's only in writing or piece of paper, it's government's priority. When real practice becomes, it's not the priority. It's not the priority. And budgeting and allowances and teachers training and professional development is not the way it should be. It's not. My 2 grandchildren go to UK school. One is in primary section, one is in high section. And when I go visit them, their entire system is so nice. The way they involve students, they inculcate research habits from the very beginning, individual thinking, questioning. Here we should not only be seeing at urban schools and school systems. Once or twice a year when I go to interior Sindh, the education system is not existing. Even master degree holders cannot write straight two sentences in English. They write either in Sindhi or in Urdu, so which is very frustrating. I am not happy. To be very brief, I am not happy with the school system. टीचर्स की प्रेपरेशन में गैप डॉक्टर साहबा ये हैं कि वी train teachers academically, we do not train them practically. Like for example, multi-grade teaching is a concept which is all over Pakistan. It's happening. One or two teachers, 5 classes, all subjects. While training them, we teach them one subject, one class, personal attention, this and that. So the theory and practice do not tally with each other. So that's what the wide gap is. And we don't keep up to date with the professional development. We do not believe in upgradation of teachers. We do not improve their situations. And if you see female teachers, particularly in interior Sindh, Balochistan, far-flung areas of KP, northern areas is still better, but situation is too bad for teachers. They have no opportunity, female teachers, for professional development. They do not have any kind of system for babysitting. They are not posted in their home villages. So that's where the majority of people are, and that's where the whole education should be upgraded, uplifted, and that's where it's not happening. If you see the condition of Sindh interior schools, you would not believe it. You would not believe it. There are ghost schools, and examination systems are also another very big issue. So much cheating takes place that students say, because this federal university, Quaid-e-Azam University, the federal university, and there is representation from all the provinces, and interior students, they are saying that there are separate rates. If you do use WhatsApp as a cheating mechanism, you have to pay separately. If somebody brings you the solved paper from outside, the rates are different. If somebody comes and helps you inside, then it's different. So with that kind of educational examination systems, how can you compete worldwide? And we make such tall claims but do not actually fulfill requirements. I very honestly believe that no matter how great is the curriculum, how good are the textbooks, it's the teacher who makes or breaks the curriculum, who makes or breaks the textbooks. That personal understanding of any teacher can contribute immensely for positive development. They have to, we can improve it this way, that teaching students psychology, teaching methodologies, use of multiple sources for information, like you were saying before, that Beacon House school system prepares students for that particular grade. Here we are sort of confusing the issues, and we do not train the teachers professionally enough so that they can contribute to students' development professionally.